Guys, I just found something insane. Look at this. That right there is a Mercedes-Benz Arocs, a $250,000 concrete mixer.
Let's see what we're dealing with here. Oh my God, this is worse than I thought. Pointed star, it means something. It means quality. It means engineering. It means this shouldn't be sitting here rotting away. I'm gonna bring this back. I'm gonna save it. Alone weighs 3 tuts and it's completely seized. This is gonna be a challenge.
The cab is trashed. But here's the thing about Mercedes, they build these trucks to last. Underneath all this rust, there's still a solid truck.
All right, decision made. We're taking this beast home. My workshop, my tools, my skills. Let's see if I can bring a Mercedes back from the dead.
Workshop. This is where the magic happens. This is where we turn scrap into art.
Look at this, look at this. How does this even happen? This door is heavy duty steel and someone just destroyed it.
9 cubic meters, that's about 2,400 gallons of concrete this thing can mix. That's a lot of weight.
And right now,
it's a 3-ton paperweight.
first step, see what we're really working with under all this filth. All right, here we go. Taking this thing apart piece by piece. Every bolt, every panel, every component, it all comes off. Oh man, the smell in here. This seat is, it's disgusting. Mold, mice.
Three days of disassembly, over 600 individual parts. Everything cataloged, everything labeled.
So here's the bad news. I've got holes here, the entire rocker panel. So this is where the magic happens. Professional chrome electroplating. That solution right there, it's about $15,000 worth of chemicals.
The attention to detail on these seats is incredible. They look brand new.
Absolutely. The new fabric and stitching are perfect. And
This hydraulic motor, this thing is a beast. It rotates 3 tons of concrete-filled drum.
Okay, ease it up just a hair. Got it. Hinges look aligned. Let's get these bolts in.
All right, this is a BIG moment. The dashboard.
The Mercedes-Benz Arocs has its voice, a commanding presence announcing highway authority.
Okay, this is it. 3 tons of drum, got to get this perfect. If the mounting points don't line up,
All right, here we go. Months of work, hundreds of hours, thousands of dollars. It all comes down to this moment. Come on, baby, don't let me down.